Welcome, fellow gardeners. Today, we're diving into a fantastic method for growing delicious cucumbers, especially if you have limited space or challenging soil conditions. We're talking about cultivating cucumbers directly in soil bags. This technique offers incredible flexibility and control, making it perfect for urban gardeners, patio growers, or anyone looking for a simpler way to manage their plants. Growing in bags can significantly reduce weeding and pest issues, and it allows you to create the perfect growing medium for your cucumbers. You'll be amazed at the bountiful harvest you can achieve with this straightforward approach. Let's get started on transforming your gardening space into a cucumber haven. Not all cucumbers are created equal, especially when it comes to container gardening. For soil bags, you'll want to select varieties that are naturally more compact or bush type. These tend to have shorter vines and are less sprawling, making them ideal for confined spaces. Look for terms like bush, patio, or container on seed packets or plant tags. Some excellent choices include bush crop, space master, or salad bush. Vining varieties can also work, but they will require more diligent trellising and support. The foundation of successful bag gardening lies in choosing the correct bags. You'll need bags that are sturdy, offer good drainage, and are large enough to support a healthy root system. Avoid flimsy bags that might tear or degrade quickly. Grow bags made from breathable fabric are an excellent choice as they promote air pruning of roots and prevent circling. Aim for bags that are at least 10-15 gallons in size for each cucumber plant. This provides ample room for root development and moisture retention. Once you have your bags, it's time to fill them with the perfect growing medium. A high-quality potting mix is crucial for container-grown cucumbers. Do not use garden soil directly, as it can become compacted and lack proper drainage in a bag. Look for a potting mix that is well-draining, yet retains moisture and is rich in organic matter. You can enhance your potting mix by adding some compost or aged manure for extra nutrients. Fill your bags almost to the top, leaving about an inch or two of space from the rim. Now for the exciting part, planting. You can start cucumbers from seeds or transplant seedlings. If planting seeds, sow 2 to 3 seeds about an inch deep in the center of each bag. Once they germinate and grow a few true leaves, thin them to the strongest single seedling. If using seedlings, gently remove them from their nursery pots and plant 1 seedling per bag at the same depth it was growing previously. Water thoroughly immediately after planting to help settle the soil around the roots. This initial watering is vital for establishing your young plants. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, especially when grown in bags, which tend to dry out faster than in-ground gardens. Consistent moisture is key to preventing bitter fruits and promoting continuous production. Check the soil moisture daily by sticking your finger about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply until you see water draining from the bottom of the bag. Avoid overhead watering, which can encourage fungal diseases. Instead, water directly at the base of the plant. In hot weather, you might need to water twice a day. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and will quickly deplete the nutrients in their potting mix. A regular fertilization schedule is essential for robust growth and a good harvest. Start with a balanced liquid fertilizer about 2 weeks after planting or transplanting. Once the plants begin to flower and set fruit, switch to a fertilizer higher in phosphorus and potassium to encourage fruit development. Apply fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks, following the product's instructions. Organic options like fish emulsion or compost tea also work wonderfully. Even bush varieties benefit from some support, and vining cucumbers absolutely require it. Trellising keeps the fruit off the ground, preventing rot and making harvesting easier. It also improves air circulation, reducing disease risk. You can use stakes, cages, or small trellises inserted directly into the soil bag. For vining types, guide the tendrils onto the support structure as they grow. Ensure your support is sturdy enough to hold the weight of mature plants and their fruit. Growing in bags can reduce some pest and disease issues, but it doesn't eliminate them entirely. Keep a watchful eye for common cucumber pests like aphids, spider mites, and cucumber beetles. Inspect your plants regularly, especially the undersides of leaves. For aphids and mites, a strong spray of water or insecticidal soap can be effective. Cucumber beetles can be hand-picked or deterred with row covers. Common diseases include powdery mildew, ensure good air circulation, and consider organic fungicides if necessary. Early detection is your best defense. Harvesting at the right time is crucial for continuous production and the best flavor. Most cucumbers are ready to pick when they are firm, green, and of a good size for their variety. Don't wait too long, as overripe cucumbers can become seedy and bitter. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the stem just above the fruit, leaving a small piece of stem attached. Avoid pulling or twisting, which can damage the plant. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more flowers and fruit, extending your harvest season. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, cucumbers can present challenges. If you notice yellowing leaves, it could be a sign of nutrient deficiency or overwatering. Check your fertilization schedule and soil moisture. If flowers are forming but no fruit, it might be a pollination issue. Hand pollination can help if natural pollinators are scarce. Small, shriveling fruits often indicate inconsistent watering or insufficient nutrients. Remember, consistency and care is key to resolving many common cucumber problems. So, grab your bags, your potting mix, and your cucumber seeds, and get ready for a fantastic growing season. Happy gardening and enjoy those delicious cucumbers!